Careful where you turning that!
Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob! I'm not sorry. That's cool. Okay, that actually scared me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You wanna fucking go? I will fucking sucker punch you. Funny. This is super funny. Fucking. It's me, Unifer. I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and I'm just gonna turn into the Five Nights at Wario's jump scare real quick. You know, that sounded very familiar to a sound that I'm pretty sure everyone watching this video has heard before. What's the progress?
I didn't even get to see.